Okay, so today we are going to see about a company called Tronant. Tronant is derived from French word which means change life. Let's go ahead and look about the company. Okay, the company was started in the year 2013 in the United States of America. Its headquarters in the US. Started as a debt-free company, then slowly, gradually branched out to Canada, and then in the year 2019, another branch was launched in India. So this company is a legally registered company in India with all its different kinds of license as you see in this window. So it has a certificate of incorporation, PAN card, etc. All the legal documents for registration is there. So there's nothing to worry about this company. So this Tronant company is a combination of three mega global industries. Number one is a direct selling. Direct selling is a very famous process which is going very famous work which is going in our country and in also other countries. The second one is e-commerce. E-commerce is where a platform like Flipkart, Amazon, the same kind of platform Tronant offers you where you can order and purchase products online. Next is a wellness. Wellness is regarding of how healthy we are and how can we maintain our health. Its wellness is also, we can call it as a healthcare industry. So three mega global industries combined together forms our company Tronant. So in today's environment and lifestyle, we see it's destroying our health. If you see, like, we are all charged up every day in the morning, but due to our work pressure and our culture, our lifestyles, everything, our health gets demolishing and our battery energy level runs down low. Due to work pressure, many people don't sleep, they work overnights. Many people don't use proper eating habits. Many people eat junk foods. All these things destroy their health. The water we drink, the air we breathe are not pure enough to keep us healthy. So for that, we need a recharge. That recharge was brought about towards us in the form of this company, and they gave us a good healthy lifestyle by launching 6 wonderful new products which are Life, PhytoFizz, CQ-Flex, Balance, Click and Active 40. Let's look at each of these products. Life is an enzyme activator. So enzymes are basically present in the fruits and vegetables we eat. But the fruits we eat raw, the vegetables we cook and eat. When we cook and eat the vegetables, these enzymes lose their capacity and lose their energy. So what is the basic function of the enzyme? An enzyme helps us in digestion of food. So this life activator, what we do when we take one life capsule before our meal, it activates the enzymes in our meals and helps us for quicker digestion. People with constipation, unhealthy, people with constipation, people who eat unhealthy foods like junk foods, people who have skin spots, stressed people, people who work 24 into 7, work at home jobs, even people with chronic fatigue illnesses or digestion problems, weight issues, all these people can use this life product. The next product is CQ-Flex. CQ-Flex is derived from a plant called Cissus quadrangulus, which has a sufficient amount of calcium in it. So CQ-Flex consists of Cissus quadrangulus, calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and electrolytes. This helps us to promote bone health, is good for sports persons and people who are above the age of 40 who have different kinds of issues like neck, back pain, knee pain, hip pain, all these problems. They can use it and it gives us more stamina. This is a water soluble tablet. All you need to do is take a glass of water and put one tablet inside, and in 2 to 3 minutes it get dissolved into a energy drink and you can consume it. Next product is a balanced meal, or we can call it as a balanced milkshake mix. So balance, what it mainly does, it reduces the excess sugar, salt and alcohol, fats and fast foods, fats in our body, and gives us a sufficient amount of protein, complex carbs, vitamins, phytonutrients, minerals and fiber. So this balance can be used as three different parts. One, people who want to use a general nutrition can skip the breakfast, and instead of having their breakfast, they can use a glass of milkshake mix. And then for lunch and dinner, they can normally use this. People who want to lose their weight, instead of having breakfast and dinner, they can have one glass of milkshake for breakfast and one glass of milkshake for dinner, and they can have their regular lunch. People who want to gain weight, they can drink one glass with their breakfast, one glass of milkshake with their lunch, and one glass of milkshake with their dinner. So next is a phytofish. Phytofish is also called as a superfood or phytonutrients. Phytofish consists of acerola, cherries, rosette berries, goji berries, amla, lemon, orange. All these ingredients contains sufficient amount of vitamin C, which encourages the immunity in our body. So the main work of this phytofish is aids tissue repair in our body, helps promotes anti-aging, improves the blood circulation, and increases the immunity in our body. Then we have a click, which is a tea bag. So it consists of 11 powerful ingredients, which are rosemary extracts, pipernicum extract, and this can be used as a normal tea bag where we can dip it in hot water or hot milk. This is good for people who are having junk foods, high BP, stress, people who are overweight, people who have insufficient sleep, and people who take too much of alcohol. Finally, we have a capsule called Active 40, which consists of different multivitamins and minerals, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, zinc, folic acid, etc. This helps in supporting our eye health, gives good memory power, helps proper function of heart, helps the anti-inflammation in our body. This also helps in immunity for our body, increases our hemoglobin levels, gives a good energy levels, and also keeps our nervous system active. So the product's price list, if you see, instead of coming in a bottle, Life comes in a compact pack. So this compact pack comes in single or even a pack of 3. A single pack is priced as 1075 rupees. The purchase volume of 5. A pack of 3 is 2695 rupees. Further on, CQ Flex 975, Fighter Fist 1550. Balance meal is 2 flavors, chocolate and banana, each 2,185 rupees. Click is 1,495 rupees. And active is 975 rupees. Okay, so how are we going to earn? What are the kinds of income we are going to have in this? 5 different types. So these are retail profit, rank bonus, lifestyle bonus, team builder bonus, and personal builder bonus. So let's see each of these. Okay, what's the retail profit? Okay, so for example, each product has 2 different prices, an MRP and an associate price. So when we are using a product and when a friend or a neighbor comes and asks about the product and wants to purchase the product from us, what we do, we tell them the MRP of the product. So the customer who's a friend or a neighbor gives the MRP, the price, pays the MRP of the product. And what we do, we place the order as an associate in the associate price. And we deliver the product to them. So the maximum retail price, the MRP, minus the associate price, the amount which we get is called the retail profit. So second is the rank bonus. Okay, so in the price listing, we saw each product has its PV and BV. So these PV and BV are useful for, PV and GV are useful for us to reach our different ranks. There are 12 different ranks starting from silver and finishing up at blue diamond. So to reach a silver rank, we need to have 5 personal volume and 100 group volume. A PV or a personal volume is we obtain a PV or a personal volume is when we obtain by purchasing a product for ourselves. A group volume is the total number of PV added up together from our group. So if there are 4 people in our group who are buying for 25 PV, so 25 into 4 will be 100. So that's how we calculate the group volume. So as soon as a person reaches the rank, he receives a rank bonus of the, for example, if you reach a rank of silver, we get a bonus of 1,500 rupees. So from starting from silver to blue diamond, there's a high profit of earning in the rank bonus. Okay, so next is a lifestyle bonus, which is an additional income to the life rank bonus. So lifestyle bonus starts when we reach the 4th position, which is the jade level. The jade rank, in order to reach the jade rank, you need to obtain 25 personal volume and 1,500 group volume, which gives you a rank bonus of 15,000 rupees and a lifestyle bonus of 5,000 rupees and brings a total of 20,000 rupees to your account. Next is a team bonus. A team bonus is calculated on how many active people you have in your team. For example, you have three people who are actively buying products every month. So when these people buy products, like if there are 3 people, active people, from each of these 3, you get 100 rupee commission, which gives you 300 rupees. And if those 3 people add 3 people under them, that will be 9 people. So total 9 people plus 3 people, the 3 people you add under you gives you a commission of 1,200 rupees. And the more people you get added below, more active buyers under you, the more the commission you get. Finally, a personal builder bonus. A personal builder bonus is the bonus commission you get while you're doing a personal purchase. Okay, let's take an example of how a personal builder bonus is calculated. So you get 5%, 10%, and 15% accordingly So 50 to 100 personal volume, 5%. 101 to 250 PV, that's 10%. 251 plus above PV is 15%. So how is this calculated? For example, if you take a price, just a pack of compact life pack 3 cost rupees 2,695 rupees, where you reached 50 PV and above. So that is 5%. So how this is calculated is the GST will be removed from your order. So if you're purchasing for 2,695 rupees, so 18% of 2,695 rupees will be minus from 2,695 rupees. And that from that total, 5% you will be obtaining. And that from that 5% as a tax deduction, from that total of 5% will be reduced, and that total will be giving as a personal builder bonus commission. So for example, if you take that formula and put it in this 5% for a compact life pack, you get 5% is 105 rupees. More than 101 to 250 is 10%, which is 210 rupees. So 251 above PV is 15%, where you get 315 rupees. So that's how the personal builder bonus commission is calculated. So let's take an example. Okay, so and see how are we going to earn. Okay, so you're buying this person in the circle is you, and you have bought a pack of 3 compact pack of 3 life and 2 CQ Flex, which brings you 23.5 PV. You've got 3 customers under you, and they have also bought from you 3 life, that is 13.5 each. And you have 3 downlines under you who are also buying for 23.5 PV each. So when you calculate, you see the retail profit as we saw, you're going to get 3,606 rupees, a PV of 64 PV, group volume 70.5 GV, and team builder bonus, you're going to get 300 rupees, and a personal builder bonus of using the formula, you're going to get 496 rupees. So if you see the total you're going to get is just 4,402 rupees. This is just without achieving the rank. Okay, so there are 2 things, like you're going to promise the company one thing, the company promises you one thing. So let's see what we are going to promise. So we promise as we join, we are going to promise the company that we are going to purchase the products, add people, purchase products every month, add people under us, and also help them to buy. That's it. That's our promise to the company. And in return, what the company promises us for 6, the company offers us 6 different products, 12 different ranks, 5 different types of incomes, exciting monthly offers, and wonderful rewards linked with that offers. So this we call it as a power of 3. As we discussed before, we are going to add 3 powerful people under us, and we are going to help those people find 3 powerful people under them, and more 3 powerful people under those 3, and then finally get some solid customers who can purchase from you. Okay, so if you see, joining plus registration is 100% free. Products have started shipping. All you need to do is contact your sponsor for joining. The sponsor will have a sponsor ID. You can help them to get you registered. All you need to do is submit the required info they ask for you so that you can get registered. So don't waste your time. Come join with us, get started. We are there to help you. Trainings are there to help you. So after you join, We'll help you to set your goals, and then you can choose which rank do you want to reach, a jade or a silver, a gold or platinum, or whatever rank you want to reach. Plan for it, set a goal, make plans to achieve that goal, and start working on it. So the company has brought another wonderful method of reaching to people, or they have introduced the trifold flyer pack, which you can purchase it and share it with your friends or your neighbors, or even when you take a cab or share out or rides, you can just drop it in there. Like people who see, they can get used to it. So the pricing is also very low. Pack of 25 cards is just 250 rupees, and pack of 100 cards is just 650 rupees. So here are some important rules. Like, remember, people follow people. So we need to be an example. When we join and when we purchase products, people look at us and see, okay, so these people are joining and they purchase products and they're showing good results. So they will automatically come to you and they will join under you, and they'll also start purchasing products and start adding people under them. Next, we should not force people to use the products. We can just give them a choice. There are 6 kinds of products and they can choose whatever products they would like to use. And then we are not selling or promoting medicines or any kinds of medical substance. These are just, we term it as energy drinks, or we can call them as health drinks. An important thing in this business, what you need to know is, when we go out and share with people, some people will accept, some people won't accept. We should not mind about that. We need to keep on working because there is someone waiting for us, someone waiting for this wonderful opportunity in their lives. So hope this video reaches your attention and you have got some valuable information about our products and etc. And hopefully you have learned many things. Please do join us. Please share this video with your friends, and also let's build a better society. Let's build a healthier society. And hope this video has given you a brighter view of our company and our business. Thank you for listening to us. Wish you good health and wealth. Thank you. Have a great day.